You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce in English. Explosion. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Explosion. Some may say explosion. It's normally explosion. It's a R sound, not an S sound, not a Z sound. Jeune. Explosion. Stress on the second syllable for the correct pronunciation in English. How to pronounce explosion. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.